Cosmo having breakfast. Kind of dopey, aren't you? Kind of dopey little guy. There you go. Is that delicious? Oh, is that delicious? Yeah. Okay, back to that. Let's see. A little bit of Yukon Cornelius going on there, huh? Oh, boy, is that delicious? Alright, there we go. Okay. Just for good measure, there's Exxon. Oh my god, he's giant. He's a giant.